Okay, so once you've gotten the Mac running, we're going to log into Recording Engineers. So you click, you're going to press the number 3 and then enter. And it's allowing us now to access. As it's booting up, oh, that was pretty quick. So actually we're just bringing our mouse to Pro Tools down here and click. As it's doing that, the 2 trapeze mics outside. So they are powered by Phantom Power, which we can see it says 48V, and then above that there are these 2 knobs. So 13 and 14 are left and right, and I like to keep them around 1 o'clock. If it's too quiet, then I'll turn it up. We'll leave it there for now. And then to bring down the mics, we have this trapeze setting here, or this faceplate. And you'll notice that there's an auto switch. So you're going to leave it on auto. And if you want to bring the mics down, you press on this button here. Just press it once. And you'll notice that these lights stay on. And what'll happen is once it reaches the correct level, those lights will come off. And when you want to bring them back up, you'll press this green button here. I'm going to let it roll all the way down. So like I said, when the lights turn off, that's when it's all the way at the bottom. So back here on Pro Tools, we can see that we have concert hall recording. It says from template, so we'll keep it there. Yeah, these settings look good. I'm actually going to go cancel because I do want to double check something. I'm going to go up here to Setup, Playback Engine, and I'm looking for PreSonus Fire Studio, which is the board that we're using. So this looks good. So press OK. And then I'm going to go back up to File, Create New. Great. 48 and 24-bit. Press Create. It says the session with name Concert Hall already exists, so we just gotta give it a different name. So I'll go maybe V2 just for this experiment. Create. Great. And so we already have a track. We can already see that the input says ceilings 1314, and we want that. Let's see if we're gonna get any levels. Alright, so I've turned up the gain all the way. You can see on 13. And that's not really healthy, but that's only because there's no sound going on. So I'm going to turn it back to 1 o'clock. But we saw we were getting levels. So I'm going to turn it back up to 13 and 14. And we notice that we're getting sound. That's actually the air conditioning. So if we wanted to, we can hear that. So now that's playing. I'm going to go down here, and here's 13 and 14 on the faders. And we actually need to turn those up. Okay, so that's pretty good. So we still don't hear anything. It's because even though we have this on and this on, we now need to turn up the speakers, which is here, monitor. So now if I turn this up, we're still not hearing anything. So I'm going to actually turn it back down, press main. So that sound is actually the air conditioning. So with main on, it meant that whatever is being sent to the main bus is coming from here. D is if you want to like listen to something on YouTube or anything from the internet. So I'll leave that off and keep on main. Now remember, if I turn this up, that AC sound is going to be recirculated back into the main. So again, this you really don't want to use this unless someone needs to play music off of their laptop on stage. So I'm going to go back up here. I'm going to turn these back to 1 o'clock. Okay. I'm going to go down here, turn these all the way down because I'm finishing. And last but not least, like I said, we have this trapeze. And so since they're already down, I'm going to press this. And now it's sending them back up, and it should automatically be at the right level. Okay. When you're done, you go Pro Tools, Quit. It'll ask you to save, and that's it. We're going to go up here to the Apple, shut down. Cool. And that's it.